Alright, what's up guys? So just got back from running some errands and I'm gonna show you guys my little Tamiya RC car. This is a 1998 Tamiya TA03R TRF, and this is an NSX body, repainted some blue, but it's a Mobile 1 NSX. And yeah, it needs wheels and tires, obviously a body, but it's just an old little RC car that I got that's been on the back burner for restoration. But I'm gonna show you guys the chassis, and yeah, this generation came out in 1996, and this is a TA03R, meaning the motor's in the rear. And so yeah, so there it is right there. This is the top of the line TRF, and TA stands for like the series. 0303 is the third generation. R is rear motor. TRF is Tamiya Racing Factory, meaning like all the drivers, you know, they do some laps, perfect the car, tune it, and win races with it, or they ran races with it. And they included all those upgrades that the guys that ran championships and everything in the kit. So yeah, this is basically not an RC car that a kid could afford back in the day, but yeah, it comes with the dampers, which are ultra low friction dampers, gold anodized, front and rear. And it comes with aluminum belt pulleys, 15 tooth right here, 15 tooth right there. Those are aluminum right there. And front universal shafts right in there. It comes with a lower friction, more durable Emerald belt, aluminum C-hubs up front with lightweight kingpins right there. And this one came with the upgraded camber kit, so you could change the front camber, and you could also change the rear camber right here. What else? The aluminum steering with bearings, so everything's ultra smooth. And then part of the TA03R TRF theme, it's the gold anodized servo post. And I'll just do the gold parts. And the gold rear drive shafts right there. These are also lightweight, about 5 grams less than the steel kit ones. And it has these spacers in the rear right there, which are gold anodized, which gives this a more wider rear track width for the NSX and more GT bodies. And what else is gold? Oh yeah, and it comes with inside there a gold motor plate, as you can see right there. Or what's a better look? Yeah, right there. So yeah, so the ESC is all falling out of it. It has this Tamiya plug, which I'm gonna cut for a Dean's. And yeah, this bumper is basically literally falling apart. It's disintegrating. But yeah, and then has aluminum rear uprights right there. Carbon fiber upper, middle, and lower chassis deck. So they have the TA03F Pro. And the TA03F is basically this gearbox put up here. So the motor is up here, and there's no motor right here, but you could put that like on a Skyline, because well, even though this is not all-wheel drive, it was made for this this chassis. But if you put a Skyline here and put this motor here, it'll be front motor, 4-wheel drive, and it's scale, and David Jun back in the day ran that car, and they have the T03F David Jun edition, and I could put a little picture of that right here. But I kind of like the rear engine, rear motor cars. I am thinking about maybe converting this one, or possibly getting a T03F. And yeah, so, but there it is right there. And as you can see, it's really not in great shape, but that carbon fiber looks so beautiful. Here, I'll show you this side. Kind of like a yellowish green. Super sweet. But yeah, so the Tamiya guys are just gonna be drooling over this. And oh, it also comes with this rear carbon fiber sway bar stabilizer, and it has front and rear stabilizers. And yeah, so these wheels are super petrified. It's basically plastic wheels, plastic tires, I mean. So gonna be swapping those out. Let's put the body back on. So yeah, guys, so if you want to see more of this T03R TRF, smash the like, and I'll post another video with me showing off the chassis again, but completely restored, clean, lubed, and put back with nicer wheels, sticky tires, and I'll give it a nice run around the lot right here. So yeah, so if you want to see that, let me know. And yeah, so that's a little video of the Tamiya TA03R TRF. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.